Natural keratin treatment transforms hair at home. 2 years ago, my hair looked like a disaster zone daily. Frizzy, unmanageable, breaking constantly despite expensive salon treatments that lasted mere weeks. Then my hairstylist friend revealed how to create effective keratin treatments using simple kitchen ingredients. What happened next amazed everyone who knew my hair struggles, and now I understand why these natural methods work so effectively for smoothing and strengthening damaged hair. Keratin proteins comprise 95% of hair structure naturally. Heat, chemicals, and environmental damage break down these proteins over time, causing frizz, brittleness, and loss of shine. Replenishing keratin improves hair texture significantly. Hair cuticles lift when damaged, creating rough surfaces that reflect light poorly. Smooth cuticles lie flat, creating shine and reducing friction between strands. Natural keratin treatments help seal cuticles more effectively than harsh chemicals. Eggs provide complete proteins containing all essential amino acids needed for keratin synthesis. The lecithin in egg yolk smooths hair cuticles, while proteins penetrate the shaft to strengthen from within naturally. Research published in the International Journal of Trichology shows that protein treatments improve hair elasticity by 35% when applied consistently. Egg proteins are small enough to penetrate hair cortex effectively. Coconut oil delivers medium-chain fatty acids that penetrate hair shafts more deeply than other oils. Lauric acid in coconut oil has unique molecular structure, allowing it to reduce protein loss during washing and styling. Studies from the Journal of Cosmetic Science demonstrate that coconut oil reduces hair damage by 40% compared to other oils. Pre-wash treatments protect hair during cleansing, while post-wash application seals moisture. Avocado contains natural fats and proteins that smooth hair cuticles instantly. The fruit also provides vitamins A, D, and E, which nourish scalp and hair follicles naturally. Avocado's creamy texture makes excellent hair masks. Research from the International Journal of Molecular Sciences shows avocado oil improves hair shine and manageability within single applications. The monounsaturated fats create protective barriers around hair strands. Honey acts as natural humectant, drawing moisture from air into hair strands. Its enzymes help seal hair cuticles, while antioxidants protect against environmental damage effectively. Honey also has natural keratin-like properties. Studies published in evidence-based complementary medicine demonstrate honey's ability to improve hair texture and reduce breakage by 25% with regular use. Raw honey provides maximum benefits. Gelatin provides pure protein that mimics keratin structure closely. When applied to hair, it fills microscopic gaps in damaged cuticles while creating temporary smoothing effects. Gelatin treatments work especially well for fine hair. Research from the Journal of Investigative Dermatology shows that protein treatments increase hair diameter by 10 to 15% temporarily, creating appearance of thicker, fuller hair naturally. Here are 5 effective dye keratin treatments. First, create basic egg protein mask for weekly treatments. Beat 2 whole eggs with 2 tablespoons olive oil until smooth. Apply to damp hair from mid-length to ends, avoiding scalp area. Cover with shower cap. Leave for 20 to 30 minutes, then rinse with cool water first to prevent cooking eggs. Follow with gentle shampoo and conditioner for best results. Second, make coconut oil pre-treatment for wash days. Warm 3 tablespoons coconut oil until liquid but not hot. Massage through hair, focusing on damaged areas and ends thoroughly. Leave treatment for 30 minutes to 2 hours before shampooing normally. This method protects hair during cleansing while providing deep conditioning benefits effectively. Third, prepare avocado smoothing mask for instant results. Mash 1 ripe avocado with 1 tablespoon honey until completely smooth. Apply to clean, damp hair from roots to tips. Wrap hair in warm towel for 20 minutes to enhance penetration. Rinse thoroughly with lukewarm water, then style as usual for immediately improved texture and shine. Fourth, use gelatin protein treatment monthly for strengthening. Dissolve 1 packet unflavored gelatin in 1/4 cup warm water. Add 1 tablespoon apple cider vinegar when mixture cools. Apply to clean hair, avoiding roots to prevent buildup. Leave for 15 minutes, then rinse with cool water followed by regular conditioning routine. Fifth, combine ingredients for intensive weekly treatment routine. Mix 1 egg, 2 tablespoons coconut oil, 1 tablespoon honey, and half mashed avocado thoroughly. Apply generously to section hair, ensuring complete coverage. Cover with plastic cap, leave for 45 minutes, then rinse and shampoo gently for maximum smoothing benefits.